control, like here's my mouse. I'm controlling my mouse currently with my Oculus Quest controller. So this is my Oculus Quest. It's a wireless VR headset, and I'm currently speaking with called the Bose Noise Canceling 700 headphone. Reposition it very easily. So drag it over here. So the Oculus Quest has this one app called Virtual Desktop. Okay, here are my two RuneScape 3 characters. One has a golden katana, and one is a golden knight.
With this USB adapter and an Xbox One controller, you could, for example, play Steam games on your couch wirelessly, using your Oculus as a monitor.
Okay, so here I am playing SD Gundam Battle Alliance on my Oculus Quest. It's on my monitor on my PC, but laying on my couch with the stationary boundary. Wow, so I'm playing SD Gundam Battle Alliance. I'm on the moon. Check it out.
So with the Virtual Desktop app, you're able to control your PC wirelessly from the couch from far away using your Oculus Quest. So essentially, step 1, you buy the Virtual Desktop from the Oculus Quest store inside the headset. Step 2, download the Virtual Desktop streamer. Step 3, connect to Bluetooth. Step 4, you can control your PC. Keep in mind, you could also stream your gameplay with oculus.com/casting. In any app, when you press the middle button on the controller, the Oculus button, you could select the third thing to cast to your browser, but I'd rather control my PC.
Okay. So essentially, I could change my screen like so, while not even facing. I could click here and resize my screen. So that's basically what that looks like. And this is what Oculus Casting is. The reason that you want Oculus Casting is so when I'm playing on my Oculus Quest, let me click in the middle button. Like I could go play a game, which lets you essentially connect to your PC. You go to vrdesktop.net and install this app over here. So let's scroll down here. So it's called Virtual Desktop Streamer. You can see my current latency. Yeah, here's my account. I set it to whatever my account was for Meta, which is Facebook. Okay. And yeah, you can see different settings over here. You don't really do anything. I recommend just turning off your PC after you install it and then turning it back on for the best working experience. So essentially, I only have one Oculus Quest controller connected, which is fine. That's all you really need for most games, and at least to browse your PC. So oculus.com/casting. Obviously, you can see the different Oculuses that they sell. So you can actually see what I see within my Oculus Quest. Right now, I see, obviously, my browser. Okay, here are my two RuneScape 3 characters. One has a golden katana, and one is a golden knight. So let's fight the Archglade Corps. Okay? So I'm going to enable Protect from Magic Prayer on both my accounts. And let's also fight the Archglade Corps. And I have to get ready to drink prayer potions. So let's switch over to old school RuneScape, and I'll show you privacy mode. Your stats. So let's hold down, right click, teleport. And I'm going to teleport to the wilderness. Yes. So I have the Voidwaker sword equipped, which is essentially a 98 million gold sword. So let's show off how good it is. So I can click on the mini-map up here. So I'm going to fight the knight. I'm going to activate my prayers, like piety, and protect from melee. So being that obviously I have... so I already drank my Divine Super Combat, which increases my stats. So let's click Special Attack here. Let's click Special Attack again. Nice, so I did extra damage with my Special Attack with my really good sword. Let's pick up the loot, and let's head back. That was like a quick Revenant Cave trip. Let me grab my Oculus Quest, obviously. So this is my Oculus Quest. It's a wireless VR headset, and I'm currently speaking with wireless headphones by Bose. These are called the Bose Noise Canceling 700 headphones. What I want to review in this stream is the Oculus Quest and audio controls with OBS Studio streaming. So the Oculus Quest is a wireless VR headset owned by Meta, which has accompanying apps. OBS Studio is what I'm using to stream. And I'm using my Razer Kiyo Pro webcam, which is connected to OBS Studio. So let me quickly resize some of these things, and I'm going to discuss my OBS Studio design. So the best feature about the Oculus Quest is obviously Virtual Desktop. It's an app that you can download, and you can control your PC using your Oculus Quest remote as the mouse. So I could play popular games like old school RuneScape, RuneScape 3, for example, or I could browse the internet. I could watch YouTube videos. I could lay down on my couch over there if I made the Guardian over there for the boundary for the room. So since the Oculus Quest is wireless, you can use it anywhere. Okay, so when you open up Virtual Desktop, essentially it connects to your computer. That means you have to be connected via Bluetooth on your PC in order to find your Oculus. So let's go to sound settings over here. After holding down right click, go to Bluetooth and devices. And essentially, my Beta Quest is over here. It says not connected, but it's connected via AirPlay. So you go to add device, and I connect mine with like the Oculus Link cable. I think it'll auto detect the Bluetooth, and you connect it to your PC. That's basically how you connect. And then let's show the audio settings with the over here in sound settings with the Oculus Quest actually on. So my output, it's putting it to speakers virtual desktop audio, which puts it within the headset. So the game headset is where the audio output is, and then the input is virtual desktop audio, at least for my sound system. I want to use my Bose headset as my sound system, but it defaults to this just because it's the Oculus Quest. But my OBS Studio is completely separate, so my input will be the NVIDIA broadcast.